I promise 2 videos is not even enough to cover everything that went down yesterday night. It was so lit. Such a full-blown, nice pool party. I already made a video basically touching on all the different things that happened at the pool party. But in this video, I want to go a little bit more in depth. Okay? Please give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you are not already. So let's start with Sissy and Cross. Okay, full blown like this. We have shippers that already shipping Cross and Sissy. There is nothing that you want to tell them, or like I was on Twitter and I just knew, because after Sissy, almost Sissy can dance, yeah. Cross has found what he was looking for. And okay, the thing that just popped on my mind is Angel. Angel and Sissy actually have similar looks. If you like, their body structures actually look similar, right? Cross has been looking for the word that he has been saying. Cross saying